I am personally a huge collector of matchbooks. I get them from restaurants and bars and wherever I can in the city. I thought it would be fun to construct my own version. And so this is the result. It's a little homage to Disco Inferno. As you can tell, probably by the disco ball up there. I'm kind of a disco fan myself. But if you are not, of course, feel free to switch up the design or the phrase or the image, whatever, once you're in Cricut Design Space. I just wanted to sort of give everyone who is interested a rundown tutorial on how to do so. I have, as always, linked each of the products, tools, and materials, in addition to the programs like Cricut Design Space that I will be using in the video description for super easy access. So without further ado, let's get to it. I was trying to think of like some sort of like match pun, but I couldn't, so I'll just show you that this actually works.
You're on a wire until it breaks. You can't be thinking you ain't got what it takes.
Below in the video description, I have a link that will bring you directly to this project file. And if you want to follow along exactly and use the exact same Burn Baby Burn design that I have already created, all you need to do is press Make It. And that will bring you to the next screen and simply follow the on-screen instructions. If, however, you want to, say, switch up the design to a different phrase or an image, or you want to resize your matchbook, press Customize. And that will open up your canvas, and this template is completely customizable. So for instance, let's say I wanted to resize my matchbook. Just make sure that you select the interior and the exterior so that they size proportionally, and simply make it larger or smaller as you see fit. Now let's say I wanted to change the final design. You can simply delete this and resize your design, whatever that may be, to fit your matchbook exterior. Of course, this is not the best design. I'm just showing you for the purpose of demonstration. You can also go over here to images and find whatever image you would like on your matchbook if that suits your fancy. So let's say we wanted this stallion of a man on our matchbook. Simply resize to fit the shape and size of your matchbook exterior, and this will be your final design. So once you have everything in place, whether that is the vinyl design that I have here or your own vinyl design that you've created or uploaded, you are going to go to the upper right-hand corner on the canvas and press Make It. Grab your double scoring wheel, insert that into clamp B, smooth your craft cardstock onto a standard cutting mat, press the arrow button and then the flashing go button, and wait approximately a minute for your cardstock to score. Once that's done, remove the double scoring wheel, grab your fine point blade, insert that into clamp B, press the flashing arrow button and then press the flash and go button, and wait for the interior and exterior of your matchbook to cut out. Once that's done, remove the mat, et voila! Next, you're going to take your match striker paper, put it on your mat, insert the mat, and press the flash and go button to begin the cutting process again. Remove the mat once that's finished. Smooth your vinyl onto a cutting mat, insert the mat, press the flash and go button to begin cutting, and wait for your Cricut to cut out your beautiful vinyl design. Grab a scoring stylus or the back end of a pen, not the ink part, of course, and create a straight edge along each of the scored marks that we created with our Cricut. Nice and sharp and straight. And you're going to do this, like I said, every scored line that we created with our Cricut on both pieces of the matchbook. So this is the interior that I'm making. The exterior is the other piece that's sitting on the side. Tuck the little tabs into the slots. Grab your glue gun. Ensure that the little tabs on the side are inside of your edge of the matchbook, and simply press a tiny little dot of glue on each of the sides of the four corners. Be careful here because of course hot glue is very hot. And repeat on the exterior bit of the matchbook. Take your transfer tape. I just sort of cut out a random size here and then cut it down to size. Place it directly over your final design. Make sure it's nice and smoothed on so that the transfer tape picks up the vinyl. And then place it directly in the center of your matchbook. And for the last step, we're going to use our match striker paper. Simply peel away the backing. And place it where you would like your match striker to be.
Hiding in the dark, but we can see it through the lens that's captured us. So don't let it go. Get up to see me fall. We are standing into time zones all at once. Can't take hold.
Do you have anything to say? Tell the world? Oh, I thought so.